Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all good. Today we are going to start the third chapter of our science textbook, that is light. First, I will give an overview of all the topics that we have to cover in the chapter light. First, we will study what makes things visible. That is the basic introduction to light. After that, we will learn how light gets reflected from reflecting surfaces, and we will also learn the different laws of reflection. Our third topic will be the different types of reflection, that's a regular reflection and irregular reflection. Our fourth topic will be the image formed by plane mirror. What are the different characteristics of the image that is formed by a plane mirror? And our fifth topic will be we will learn how multiple images are formed when two mirrors, plane mirrors, are inclined at different angles. And we will try to learn also, we will calculate the number of images formed when two different mirrors are kept at different angles. Our sixth topic will be sunlight and the phenomena of dispersion. Our seventh topic will be, this will be an important topic, human eye, structure and the function of human eye. Our eighth and the last topic will be what is Braille system for visually impaired persons. Now we are going to take up our first topic for today, that is what makes things visible for us. As we know that human beings have been bestowed with 5 different senses, that is the sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of taste, sense of touch and sense of smell. Because of the sense of sight, human beings are able to see this beautiful world. The complete package which gives us vision, which makes us to see this beautiful world, is light energy, eyes, and the third one is optic nerves and the optic lobe of the brain. First of all, what is light energy? Light energy is a special type of energy that gives us sensation of sight. In case of darkness, we are not able to see anything. Things are not visible for us. Second, that is eyes as a special type of sense organs that makes images when light gets reflected from different types of objects and enters our eyes. And third one is the optic nerve. Optic nerve is a special type of nervous tissue that carries the images formed inside the eyes and transfers these messages to the optic lobe of the brain where they are interpreted. Now we will try to learn what are the different types of objects that are visible to our eyes. There are two types of objects that are visible to human eyes. One is luminous type of object, another is non-luminous type of objects. Luminous objects are those objects which can produce and emit their own light. Example, sun, stars, burning candle, torch, tube light. These are some luminous objects. On the other hand, non-luminous objects are those objects which cannot produce and emit their own light. For example, earth, trees, plants, books, pen. Now we will try to learn how we can see a luminous object. The light rays that are emitted by luminous objects directly enter our eyes, and we are able to see the luminous objects. For example, here burning candle, The, the light rays that are emitted from luminous objects such as candle enter our eyes and we are able to see the burning candle. On the other hand, the non-luminous objects, as they do not produce their own light, hence we cannot see them in absence of light. They can only be seen if they get illuminated from a light source. For example, we will take here the example of book. We cannot read a book in dark, but we can read a book in presence of a burning candle. The light rays from the burning candle fall upon the book, and these reflected rays, the light rays get reflected and enter the human eye, and a human being can read the book. On Let us take another example. The moon reflects the light of the sun towards the earth. That's why it becomes lighted up or illuminated, and our eyes can see the moon. Maximum objects that we see are non-luminous objects, but can be seen if they are lighted up, illuminated by light source. Non-luminous objects are also called as illuminated objects or lighted objects because they cannot be seen in absence of a light source. They can be only seen if they are illuminated by a light source. As of now we have completed today's topic. That is what makes things visible. You are hereby advised to make a list of luminous and non-luminous objects and also learn the topic from your textbook. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and we will meet in the next session with a new topic. Assalamu alaikum.